Okay, this morning and for the full day it's forecast rain. I'm just going to show you outside right now. We do have plans to go to Epcot, and we're still going to go to Epcot. And then Hollywood Studios later. That might change because we're only heading to Hollywood Studios for Fantasmic, and if it's raining and thunderstorming they usually cancel it, so that might alter his plans for later. But I've got no umbrella, no raincoat. This is a cotton jacket, and I'll show you outside. Don't even know if you can see on this camera, but it's just pouring it down. So yeah, definitely gonna need to buy some sort of rain coverage today. And I don't think I'll be able to film as much as what I'd like because it's raining and this camera isn't waterproof. So yeah, we'll update you on the day later.
I like the colour effect of the butterfly thingy, but I don't like the butterflies above my head. Do you know what I mean?
I know what I mean. There's messy room. Can't deal. We've made it to Epcot and it's absolutely pouring it down, as I said earlier. But it's fine, we've got umbrellas, we've got jackets. We're not quite open yet for Epcot. They're not letting people under Spaceship Earth yet, so we've got another 15 minutes before it opens. Are you all wrapped up, Savannah? It doesn't look too busy, but it never is on rainy days, which is always nice. And we're just appreciating the music because me especially, I listen to this soundtrack of the entrance of Epcot, the music loop for the entrance. And so it's so nice to hear it in person. I can't find Savannah now. And they're actually letting people through now, so that's nice. I'm going to try and not get my camera wet today. Are we heading straight on Spaceship Earth? I don't know if you can hear, but they're playing the Soarin' music right now, the old Soarin', California Soarin'. It's not as cold as yesterday, I don't think. I felt like yesterday felt colder. But obviously it's quite windy underneath this Spaceship Earth ball. Okay, come on, open it up. All it's going to pick up is the wind. Let us in. Let us in. Come on, cast member, let us in.
Will travel as fast as these new books. And travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. In the future, your home in this seat will be a smart home that automatically knows what you want.
Is that pizza?
Because if you do fueling station, you're on. Your closet will be like a personal stylist, taking outfits based on your preferences and what's on your calendar for the day. You'll use your smart home. What's a colorful home? Your smart home is everything organized to help you start your day. The world will literally be at your fingertips because your home's information network lets you do your daily planner almost anywhere.
Why are my eyes so round compared to yours?
The smart home will know when it's time for you to leave, and it'll know what you need with you. Sometimes even before you do. Of course, your smart home is your end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back.
We just finished up on Spaceship Earth and we're in the little bit as you exit Spaceship Earth right now. And because we've got some free time, we're playing some games. So Savannah's on one right now. Memory.
Reaction time. Auto-instruct. On a button on the screen icon. Push the same button on the stick 7 beats per minute. But with hard exercise, it can get up to 200. Good job. Let's look at your results.
So we're heading up to Soaring. Or the land, because we're going to do Soaring and Living with the Land.
Nice work, pal.
It's not being very trouble.
Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else?
Have fun.
Yeah. Have a nice flight.
Just booking Coral Reef. It's not 15. Hi.
Cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicines, and other elements essential to our lives. The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm. Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future.
Japan. I'm gonna get this frosty melon, the usual. Which one did you get, Savannah?
My favourite one, Japan.
What is it? It looks like it says vegetable, and it's got a picture of like carrots. Oh, which you can't see. So you can try drinks from all around the world if you don't know. My favourite is this frosty melon, and I also like the pineapple. And this one, which one's the one with the bubble gum?
This one.
Yeah, this one, Peru.
Mine are these two. Still ones.
Not the Beverly.
Doesn't smell bad.
No, it doesn't smell bad. Savannah's about to try the Beverly because she's not tried it. Yeah, but she's not tried it in a long time.
Just like a really bit of soda water.
Is it? I'm gonna get this one.
It's not that bad. It's not as bad as everyone expected.
Yeah.
So like,
You did what?
I had those cookies years ago.
What? They were good?
Yeah. But this looks amazing. Especially with hazelnuts in it. Or walnuts, whatever they are.
That looks, isn't it? It does look good though. Are we done in Club Cool? I think these food key rings are good. Hi, Mum. I've had to buy an umbrella. Oh, that's the bag. I need to buy the bag. Look, it's got Epcot on it.
Yeah, because every park now has got their own personalised bag.
That is cool. On his way out, I need to get that. Festival of the Arts is open, even though it's raining. So once we've finished with our Coral Reef reservation, we'll head and have a look around World Showcase and some of the Festival of the Arts stuff. We've looked at the menu. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get ravioli for appetizers and then the chicken main. Even though I'm at Coral Reef, which is a fish restaurant, I do love a good Disney chicken meal. So that's what we're going to do in a second. Head over and I'll video everything inside, all being well that the battery is now flashing, which means I'll probably not get very long footage, very much footage time on this battery, which sucks. We are in Coral Reef, but my battery is about to die, so I'll quickly show you. We've just had a bread service. Brilliant.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Cute. Our appetizers arrived. So this is the it's ravioli,
Yeah.
but it's spinach and ricotta. That's it. Spinach and ricotta ravioli. This is the restaurant. It is amazing, and we're sat right next to an aquarium. Anyway, for mains, I'll try and show you if the battery doesn't die. We've got bread service as well, but I got chicken and Savannah got mahi. So if I've got enough battery life, I'll video that when it arrives. We've both got the raspberry pina colada as well. Okay, just really quickly, the food has arrived. So I've got the chicken, comes with a mushroom risotto. Savannah's got the mahi and she switched out the sticky rice for risotto, and the sauce has come on the side, and then we've got a side of potatoes.
You're more welcome to get something off of that.